What's going on, everybody? It's Demo right back here with another video, man. Today I have a video. I know you're not seeing my face, but it's just a quick video. I want to see how good does Jason Markk work. As you can see, I have a pair of Air Max 270s. If y'all don't know, I help coach football a little bit. My shoes are dirty. I just want to see how good this Jason Markk is. I know it's real good, but this is gonna be a deep cleaning. So, yeah, let's see if it actually works. So the supplies that I did bring is obviously the shoes, the Jason Markk, and a towel. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first we have the Jason Markk product right here. I got some warm water. What you do is just spray a little bit. Only reason why I got a bowl is because it's a lot of dirt, so I need to match the dirt with all this water. So as y'all can see, it's pretty clean. It's still a little bit of soap. The Jason Markk worked real well. So yeah, that's the other shoe. Here goes the other right here. But yeah, it worked real well. So I'm going to clean the other shoe. Thank y'all for watching. Like I said, it's just a quick video to keep my channel active, and it's also a video I wanted to do for a while. So yeah, see y'all on the next one.